Now we move on to the next, is Dr. Jagdishwar Gaud from Krishna Institute of Robotic Surgery.
I thank the Verticity Foundation for inviting me, and thank you, Chairman, for your invitation. Our state has a peculiar insurance system where only surgical oncology is allowed to do onco cases. That's the reason we get most of the oncology cases. And what our experience from the last 253 cases, we have started later than Manipal. After Manipal we got the system. And I had to go to Roswell as well as Severance to train myself with Dr. Chung, Dr. Min for thyroid as well as colorectal. And over a period of 253 cases, what I realized is the operating time has come down. And there were few conversions in myomectomies and our unit in renal and adrenal tumors. There was no mortality. And the time to discharge esophagus and ultra low ARs are a bit late, but otherwise most of the cases are discharged in 3 days. Most important, what I felt is planning the port placement. Unlike open surgery, every case needs to be planned port properly. I mean, this is our own experience, and the docking should be very correct. The team, we have fellows in robotics, in gynec oncology as well as surgical oncology. So a team is very important. And one of the gynecologists, we had a rectal tear, so because she lost the instrument. So we always aim that the instrument should always be in the vision. Few things which we have learned over a period of time. Overall, 253 cases were done. Most of the 145 cases are my own series. In the last, we started late 2011, so 2012 and 2013, overall individual series is 145 cases. And urologist, the need of the hour is a urologist, a good urologist, robotic surgeon, which we are actually looking for, where the contribution is very low in our center. And this is the different split up, which we do in 2013 as well as 2012. Gynec cases, we have a pretty good series of radical hysterectomy. By default, they are the largest number of cases. We have operated on 92 cases, and we have done a live demonstration to Apollo Chennai as well as Amasicon and ASI AP chapter in workshops. Ovary, by and large, we don't prefer lap or robotic, but for early cases, germ cell tumors, we have done 5 cases. And our unit was called for to help gynecologists in myomectomies in 6 cases. Thyroid, total cases were 12, and mediastinal masses, teratomas, thymomas, we have operated on 4 cases and 1 lobectomy. And bilateral sympathectomy in a case of persistent ventricular tachycardia with cardiac arrest, the cardiologist requested to do a bilateral sympathectomy, so we did a bilateral sympathectomy. And GIT, gastrectomy with lymph node dissection, APR, anti-dissection, colon. People just like that we did, but we're not very happy with that. Nephrectomy, we were asked to assist in radical nephrectomy in 24 cases. And so our unit was involved in these cases. Esophagus is my favorite surgery. I usually do a total robotic with 3-field lymph node dissection. Ever since Kidwai, I've always been fond of this esophagus. I do in prone position with 2 ports. And recently I've started using the 3rd port to retract the esophagus. And I turn the patient around and use again 3 ports to do a abdominal lymph node dissection. What I felt is, after seeing in Severance the Japanese surgeons operating the splenic vein dissection and the recurrent love laryngeal node dissection is very good. So we usually do a total hysterectomy with 3-field lymph node dissection. And we have started a controlled trial of comparison of laparoscopy versus robotic esophagectomy. And I presented 2 videos in SAGES 2013, Baltimore, and 1 poster presentation. Radical hysterectomy, I use a side docking with angle of 30 degrees to the table from left side and use a 3 ports. Paraortic dissection, I use a straight docking. I change it, it's a dual docking system. I felt lymph node dissection is far better, and we have published a trial of comparing robotic versus laparoscopy, which will be published in March 2014 in IGRC. Colorectal, I was trained by Dr. Min, so I use a dual docking and I'm comfortable with that. It's a transaxial thyroidectomy. I use a single incision. Only 12 cases I have done thyroidectomy. We have a shunt retractor, which we got it later than Manipal. I had to go to Shang and get it done. In the SAGES, we did 3 papers, 2013, robotic esophagectomy with a multiple layer myoma and a 3-field lymph node dissection from our institute. This was a poster in SAGES and IRCG. This is a study, robotic versus laparoscopic radical hysterectomy, which we have done, and 3 case reports in different journals, which we have published. And our fellows regularly present papers in different conferences, including myself. I have done 6 workshops of robotic workshops. This was a national workshop in last year, and where we felicitated our teachers. And I transmitted live robotic hysterectomy and radical hysterectomy to MSICON 2013 in Indore, where I showed a lymph node dissection along with a thyroid surgery also. And in national workshop FLIP 2012 to Apollo, I have transmitted a robotic esophageectomy, and to Indo-American Hospital, at the completion of which last year was the 100th year of esophagus, so we celebrated that event, and we did a live robotic esophageectomy. Esophageectomy is the case which we like very much. And we have colorectal training. We have done 5 workshops and trained 17 candidates from all over India. And radical hysterectomy, 1 workshop we started recently. This is our team. Thanks to them, this is possible. What I feel need of the hour is to increase numbers is a robotic urologist, which we are very much lacking. And a team like Vedanta, we can do wonders. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. God. You did mention about this rectal injury. It was accidental injury?
No, the gynecologist had missed the injury, and later on they saw some matter. Then they called me emergency, so I had to go in. Then I checked it. They could not localize it. Then we checked it, and we saw a small tear on the anterior rectum. We just sutured it robotically. The patient did not have any problem.
Okay, thank you.